Today we got a guest. This is Mr. Jimmy Potter. The recipe today I am going to show has egg as the basic ingredient. Yes, it is nothing but omelets. Some facts about eggs. Eggs are full of proteins, but the whole proteins can be achieved only if the egg is cooked fully. So if you want to have the whole protein from the egg, you need to cook the egg and then have it. I know people like to eat raw eggs, but it is not healthy or advisable to eat raw eggs. Anyway, the full protein is not achieved in raw eggs, so why to eat it? The color of the eggs may vary, but it doesn't change the taste or the quality of eggs. All eggs are same. So don't get confused by the colors. Whenever you are hungry at home and you have nothing but eggs at home, omelets are the easy solution. You can easily fill your stomach and it is very easy work to do. So let's talk about omelets. There are various types of omelette. Omelette stuffed with meat, omelette stuffed with veggies, omelette stuffed with cheese. My husband prefers omelettes with sauteed onions and gooey center. I prefer basic omelette with onions and green chilies with some tomatoes. Here in US, if you have omelette, you can see the omelettes are a little bit fluffier. This is because they add a tablespoon of milk to the eggs and beat it well, then they make it to an omelette. So if you want a fluffier omelette, you can always add a tablespoon of milk, but don't add more than that, it will brown your omelette. Today we are going to make two types of onion omelette. One with the sauteed onions and other without sauteing the onions. One can survive anywhere by knowing how to make omelets. So let's see how to make omelets. Take a bowl which is big enough to beat the eggs. Here I am taking 5 eggs. Add a teaspoon of salt. Egg normally has a little amount of salt on its own, so don't add too much of salt. Whisk them well by adding a tablespoon of milk. Take a pan. Once it is hot, grease it with some oil. Add half of a small onion and half of a green chili chopped very finely. Saute them very well until the onion is translucent and little brown in color. Sprinkle some salt on onions to help them cook faster. Once the onions are sauteed well, spread them uniformly on the pan, so you can have onions uniformly throughout the omelettes. Add half of the beaten eggs, as this beaten eggs is for 2 omelettes. Let it cook on a medium flame. Sprinkle some fresh tomatoes on the top of the omelette. Spray some oil on the top of the omelette once it is half cooked. We are not going to turn this omelette. If you prefer, you can cover it with a lid and cook. That way you can cook it faster. But you can't achieve a full gooey center. But if you prefer a gooey center, don't cover it with a lid. Once they are ready to flip, garnish it with coriander leaves. Now flip half of the omelette on the top of the other side. In this way, you get a gooey center and the sides cooked well. Now it is ready to serve. Transfer it into your serving plate. Now let's see how to make omelette in the second style. Add half of a small size onion and half of a green chili chopped finely to the eggs. Beat them well. Heat the pan and grease it with some oil. Once it is hot, add the egg. Let it cook for some time. Once it is little cooked on the edges, move the edges like this so the top liquid portion flows into that area and gets cooked properly. Once that portion is cooked well, repeat the process. Continue doing this until the whole egg is cooked properly. In this way also, you get a fluffier omelette. Can you see how this omelette is thicker and healthier? Once it is done on one side, flip it over and cook on the other side just for 1 minute. The omelette is this fluffier because of the way we cooked and the tablespoon of milk we add. Now it's 1 minute. I am flipping over. If you see, the top is pale yellow in color. This is what we want. Garnish it with some fresh tomatoes and some cilantro. Sprinkle some pepper powder at the end. Transfer it to your serving plate. This one omelette is well satisfying for a breakfast. I couldn't show you the other omelette because my husband already ate it. I hope you enjoyed my omelette recipe. Until we meet up in the next recipe, ta-ta, bye-bye.